Right, so now we've got our final design like we said, we're going to start to bring it to a conclusion ready for stitching out and exporting it. So first of all we go to the edit parts icon. The edit parts icon, it's the little, it looks like a little calendar in a pen, that's best in colour. Once you've clicked on it you'll open this box and you can see that each section is shown here. Now at this stage you can make alterations to your design, so if you don't want to have, say, this blue section here, this could be removed. You can see here that you've got move, delete, colour, stitch, all colour, make, OK and cancel. I'll talk about make in a moment. So each part you can start to edit. It might be that you want to consider the order that this is going to be stitched out on. So for example, if you want the yellow here stitched onto the top of the red, or wine red as we've got here, that can be altered, so the order that it's going to be stitched out on. Again, stitch, consider your density. So any kind of alterations that need to be made would be made to these parts. So think of your end design as being in those sections and those split up parts, a little bit like the layers you would have on a Photoshop program, for example. So you can click here. We'll just select a part first. So we click that one and we'd go into fill or colour and your stitch type again. And again with those, and you could delete, move, I won't do that for the moment, but that, and all colour. Okay, so just deselect that. So for example, if we were to press make here, you have the option here with, you've got your original image, you can flip it, flick vertical, you can rotate it, or you've got your size here, so you can start altering the percentage of your size. So there's quite a lot of different avenues you can take at this stage. Again, once you go past this point though, you can't be editing it once it's been imported to go onto the machine. So this is your last chance really to start altering the designs to what you want the stitch to do. It might be that you've changed, now you've seen your design registered, changed your mind on some of the aspects. This is where you can do that. At this point, if you change anything in this make stitch box, then you must press make. I'm obviously not doing that, so I mean we could try flip horizontal, make, and you can see there you go, it's changed. So it gives a little moment and it re-registers it. So if I go back into the edit again, we go back into those separate parts, so you can see what that make option allows you to do. Again, with your all colour will be the similar of changing all those different colours that you've selected, or making these parts into all the one colour complete. So once we're happy with that and we've made our own decision, we're going to press OK. This now sets the actual end design, so that's kind of major design set into one place to be imported for your memory card. So it's ready at this stage to be saved to the flash card driver. Now these readers, we have a number of them in the machine room, and they're all numbered to the machines that they work with, and it's important that you keep an eye on which machine and which flashcard you're using. So place the flashcard into the port on the right side of the monitor and insert the flashcard into the reader. Click on the right one icon, which is that one there, and it will obviously say has it got a slot, and it's asking me the question whether I've got that. Just cancel that for a moment. So if we just go to that, so obviously within this computer I haven't got the flashcard inserted. Once flashcard is inserted, you then save as you would normally do, and we discussed that that's when you'll be finding your bitmap comes into play, because it can be put onto that flash drive. You then take that out and insert it to the sewing machine that it's numbered up to, and follow the instructions on the sewing machine on how to find that design ready for sewing out, which we will discuss more with a demonstration introduction of those machines.